Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. So I'm using VirtualBox version 7.0, so you can check your version here. You can use the same version, or if you have upgraded then you can install in that version as well. So what you have to do to install Kali Linux, first of all you have to go on the Google and search for Kali Linux download, okay? Then you will be getting the first link, just click on it and then you have to click on the installer images, and this is the very easiest way to install Kali Linux in your machine. Then you have to go down and you have to click on here pre-built VMs. Then we are installing for the VirtualBox, so just click on it. It will try to download Kali Linux 2025.2 virtual VM 64 version, okay, and it will be as .7z. Already I have download this file, and you can say it's around 3.30 GB, so it will take some time. So already I have downloaded. So next thing what you have to do after the download, if you will go here in pre-built VMs only, there is the documentation. You can see here they are just unzipping it, we can say, as it's not .zip but it's 7 some zip format only, and then we can easily do it. So basically, first of all, what we have to do, we have to unzip this. So just right click, and you can just unzip using here, but I have this app also, pre-zip. I will be using this extract files. So just I'll click on extract. So it will take a few minutes of time, so we'll wait till then. Okay, it's almost done. Cool. Okay. So here you can see in ISO, I will see Kylinux folder is there. Inside folder, I have two files, this VD and VPOP. So what you have to do, you have to just double click on it. It will directly import into your VirtualBox. Cool. So here you can see it has been directly imported here, and I have to simply click on a start button. So let it boot up. Just will be maximize the screen. And here no need to set up anything. Yeah, if you want to customize our RAM or disk storage, that yeah we can do in the settings of the VirtualBox itself. So just wait. Okay. So here the default password is, and the username is Kali Kali. Okay. So that information you can see here as well. If you select this, so down it will be here, username and password. Okay. So here you can see it. The screen is like VM is up, but the screen you can see its size is bit small. So just press your right Control and F. It will go into the full screen mode. Again, right Control F. It will be normal. Okay, and if you will restart again, so you will not get that small screen. So now we can see it has been installed perfectly. Everything is working fine, I guess. Yeah. So in this way, you can install the Linux version 2025.2. So that's it guys for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.